back to the Science Kid. Today we're going to be doing cool experiments number 3. So today we're going to be doing something really interesting with dry ice, which is in this box. So the ingredients or materials that we're going to be using today are big mixing bowl, a cut off piece of rag, some dishwashing soap, then we got some water, and then you're going to need some really good work ethic because this might take a while to get working. So let's get into it. Okay, so for this experiment, we're gonna be using dry ice. So we're gonna need a lot of extraneous amounts of safety precautions. Lots and lots and lots. Oh, that kind of hurt a little bit. Okay, so since we're dealing with dry ice, we got our apparatus on for staying safe. Oh, this is big glove. Big gloves. Big gloves, big safety, that's what I always say. So, we got the water all poured out in there. Got a lot of water. Okay, I'm gonna take these scissors off. Take this off. And now we gotta keep in mind, dry ice. Ooh, dry ice. Smoky effect. So the dry ice is really so cold that if you touch it without these gloves on, you're gonna get a burn because of how cold it is. That's insanely cold. I have now cut the bag. We now have quite a bit of dry ice in here. So now you might be wondering, why do we have the cloth? This is so we can make our super cool effects. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the cloth. Ooh, this is cold, it feels nice. We're gonna take our cloth here. I'm gonna put soap on it. Now that is a cool experiment. I hope to see you guys next time, and make sure when you're doing this, use all the safety equipment you have and make sure you have a parent or guardian watching you. Make sure to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.